In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription. Now, I did previously make a video all about this, but this has slightly changed, so I thought that I'd make a newer one. Now, once you're logged in like this, you want to come over to your chat history on the left-hand side, come all the way down to bottom where it says Add Team Workspace. Now, if we click on there, it's going to bring up this little pop-up. Then from here, we want to come on to Manage My Subscription. We're going to click on there. Then it's going to open this page just here, where, as we can see on the right-hand side, it says Cancel Plan. If you click on there, there's probably another step after that, but that's just how easy it is to cancel your ChatGPT subscription. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.